Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and a quick unboxing of this Vescari Chestor Midnight Green limited edition. Now I've been following Vescari and Joran, sorry if I butchered your name, for a long time since the first model, and it's been interesting seeing the upgrades and updates he's been doing on his watches. So let's just get into it. I have no idea what to expect apart from a watch, of course. Nice outer box. I believe is some kind of faux leather. I don't mind faux leather, as I spoke of in my my watch roll review. It saves on cows, so faux leather, as long as it's nice, and this is a nice one, no worries. So what do we have? We have Vescari inside as well. Warranty card filled out for once. We have a cleaning cloth. Nice quality, it seems. Unbranded, but nice quality. And here we have the watch itself. Inside of the box there's some kind of weight material that was lodged in there safely, securely. Wow, there's some heft to this watch. Let's put the box to the side. That's an upgrade. Now, I have a video of the old Chestor up on the channel. Go check it out. But just this push button. There we have a nice little upgrade. Bracelet feels really good. Solid. And it's quick release. Nice. Edged case back. But what about the watch? We have a VK64 meckaquartz movement. Do we have to push the crown in or out? I thought I wasn't running there for a second. So we have that sweep of the second hand. Those are some really nice indices. See if I can see how it catches light. And then they're almost gone. That's kind of mesmerizing, isn't it? And a really nice dark green color way. Oh, there's no plastic to peel off. It's really darker than expected. But look at those indices placed with the light. I'm a bit stunned by those. Beautiful. Sapphire crystal. Seems to be a dome to it. Solid bracelet with polished mid links and brushed outer links. 40mm, 20mm lug width. Seems to be some nice combination of brushing and polished edges. But I'm just... Nice handset. Snaps back, meckaquartz. But that light play. Seems to be no lume. But you don't need lume on a watch like this, do you? Let's put it on my roughly 16.5, 17 centimeter wrist. I'll have to size it, and it is push pins, I guess, because there was a push pin tool in the box. And this is what it's gonna look like on my wrist. I usually wear watches 38mm or 39 maximum, but this looks nice. And I really want to pair this with a dark brown strap, don't I? Beautiful, Joran. Well done. Full review coming up soon. And until next time, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.